Peacock, also called peafowl, any of three species of resplendent birds of the pheasant family, Phasianidae, order Galliformes. Strictly, the male is a peacock, and the female is a peahen, both are peafowl. The two most recognizable species of peafowl are the blue, or Indian, peacock, Pavo cristatus, of India and Sri Lanka, and the green, or Javanese, peacock, P. muticus, found from Myanmar, Burma, to Java. The Congo peacock, Afropavo congensis, which inhabits the forested interior of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, was discovered in 1936 after a search that began in 1913 with the finding of a single feather. Natural history. In blue and green peacocks, the male has a 90 to 130 centimeters, 35-50 inch, body and 150 centimeters, 60 inch, train of tail feathers that are colored a brilliant metallic green. This train is mainly formed of the bird's upper tail coverts, which are enormously elongated. Each feather is tipped with an iridescent eye spot that is ringed with blue and bronze. In courtship displays, the cock elevates his tail, which lies under the train, thus elevating the train and bringing it forward. At the climax of this display, the tail feathers are vibrated, giving the feathers of the train a shimmering appearance and making a rustling sound. The blue peacock's body feathers are mostly metallic blue-green. The green peacock, with a train much like that of the blue, has green and bronze body feathers. Hens of both species are green and brown and are almost as big as the male but lack the train and the head ornament. In the wild, both species live in open lowland forests, flocking by day and roosting high in trees at night. During the breeding season, the male forms a harem of 2 to 5 hens, each of which lays 4 to 8 whitish eggs in a depression in the ground. The eggs are incubated by the peahen until they hatch some 28 days later. The chicks have all of their feathers when they emerge from their eggs and are capable of flight roughly 1 week after hatching. Most blue and green peafowl become sexually mature at age 3. However, some male blue peafowl have been known to breed as early as age 2. As an ornamental bird, the peacock is a staple resident of many of the world's zoos and has long been famous throughout the Old World. Green peacocks in captivity must be kept apart from other fowl, though, because of their aggressive disposition. Blue peacocks, though native to warm humid climates, can survive northern winters. Green peacocks, however, cannot tolerate much cold. The Congo peacock is the only large phasianid in Africa. The cock is mainly blue and green with a short rounded tail. The hen is reddish and green with a brown top knot. The species is smaller than those in genus Pavo, growing to roughly between 64 and 70 centimeters, 25 to 28 inches, in length by adulthood. Conservation status. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, Red List classifies the blue peafowl as a species of least concern. However, the green peacock is classified by the IUCN as an endangered species. The green peacock's population declined significantly during the latter half of the 20th century because of overhunting and the destruction of large parts of its natural habitat. The species is now thought to number between 10,000 and 20,000 adults. The IUCN has classified the Congo peafowl as a vulnerable species. Its population has fallen to fewer than 10,000 adults because of hunting and habitat loss.